Hi, I'm Mark Smartt, and today I want to talk about something that affects all of us: conflict. Conflict is unavoidable, whether it's at work, with family, or even in our closest relationships. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to tear us apart. When handled well, conflict can bring us closer together. So today I will walk you through 5 essential steps to resolve conflicts effectively and peacefully. Let's dive in. These steps have helped countless individuals and teams navigate difficult conversations and find common ground. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to transform conflicts into opportunities for growth and understanding. Are you ready to learn how to turn conflict into connection? Let's get started. Conflicts often start small, but grow when we don't address the underlying issues. Research shows that 70% of workplace disputes stem from miscommunication. Think of a conflict like an iceberg. What you see, the argument, is just the surface. The real cause lies beneath. Maybe it's unmet needs, stress, or even past experiences coming to the surface. To get to the root, ask yourself these 2 questions. What am I upset about? And what might the other person be feeling or needing right now? Understanding the root of the conflict sets the stage for resolution. Now that you understand the root, let's talk about empathy. Empathy is the ability to step into someone else's shoes and see the world from their perspective. It's a game changer in conflict resolution. Studies show that when people feel understood, hostility drops by as much as 60%. I feel like you're ignoring me. I understand why you feel that way, and I'm sorry if I gave that impression. One way to show empathy is to use I statements instead of you statements. For example, instead of saying, you never listen to me, say, I feel frustrated when I don't feel heard. This small shift can completely change the tone of a conversation. Conflict resolution isn't about winning. It's about finding solutions that work for everyone, a win-win outcome. Start by brainstorming together. Let's say you and a colleague both want to lead a project. Instead of fighting over it, ask, how can we share responsibilities in a way that plays to both our strengths? This collaborative mindset resolves the issue, builds trust, and strengthens relationships. Remember, it's not me versus you, we versus the problem. Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, we can't resolve conflicts alone. That's okay. This is where a neutral mediator comes in. Someone who can facilitate the conversation without taking sides. Mediators are potent in schools where peer mediation programs have reduced bullying by up to 50%. Whether it's a friend, a teacher, or an HR representative, a mediator ensures both sides feel heard and respected. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help. Finally, let's talk about the big picture. Resolving conflict isn't just about patching things up at the moment. It's about creating lasting change. One effective method is restorative practice, which focuses on repairing relationships rather than assigning blame. Think about it. You've strengthened your relationship instead of holding grudges or avoiding the person. That's the power of focusing on long-term solutions. In the end, conflict is a part of life, but it doesn't have to be destructive. By understanding the root, practicing empathy, collaborating, seeking help when needed, and focusing on long-term solutions, you can turn any conflict into an opportunity for growth and connection. So, here's my challenge. Try applying these steps the next time you face a disagreement. You might be surprised by the results. Thanks for spending time with me today. Remember, every step toward peace starts with you.